2003 Honda Accord V6 stick shift manual. Very rare to find these. They only made, I think, not that many on the V6 and the manual transmission. It's got factory converters there, and a third converter there. Then we cut everything off, as you guys can see. They had two resonators, so we took them off, put pipe in their place, 2 1/4. Then continued his dual exhaust, cut the two mufflers off, there, and then put 5-inch blue flame tips, as you guys can see, there and there. Came out really beautiful. He's going to the Nashville Cars and Coffee on Saturday. So if you guys see this car in Nashville Cars and Coffee, tell him what's up, I guess. There's the two mufflers we cut off, the two resonators, there and there. We'll let you guys hear it in a sec. Hope you guys like it. Oh, so much better. There you go. You gotta remember it's got 3 cats on it, but it sounds good. There's sound decibels? That's awesome. What do you guys think? Let us know. That sounds so good. On the Accord V6 manual transmission. Do you have a cold air intake on it yet? Do you have a cold air? Get in a cold air too. We'll open it up a lot. What do you guys think? Let us know. Here, let you hear on the inside. Honda Accord 2003. So much better. Straight pipe, duals into 5-inch tips. Honda Accord V6. What we got done on it. Factory converter there, then primaries up there somewhere, then resonator there, secondary resonator there. And what we did is a muffler delete, as you guys can see there and there. Comes with 2 mufflers. And we added 2 aftermarket tips, double wall stainless steel, right there to complete the look, as you guys can see. There's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off, there and there. So check it out, guys. It looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. That sounds good. Because of the 2 resonators, it sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels again. Again, right at 87, not bad. I like it, it sounds clean. V6 Honda Accord. What do you guys think of the sound, huh? Let me know. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Look at that noise. Sounds good. It's clean. I like it. Don't you think? You like it? Let's do it to your grandma's car. It's okay. We can still do it. All Hondas need to sound like that. All right, guys, 2007 Honda Accord V6. Boom, 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 boom. Converter up there. Then it winds into a single flex pipe. Then a third converter there. There's the second converter, guys. There's the first converter up there. Then this usually comes with two resonators. We took them out and put in a Dynomax race bullet right there. Part number 24215 right there. Dynomax race bullet 24215. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back, custom bent out the passenger side to one side at an angle. Right there. There it is. So it's a single exhaust 2.5 with a Dynomax race bullet. Boom. Out the side. And there's the original exhaust that I was telling you guys about. There's the resonator, second resonator, then it winds out and goes into 2-inch pipe before. So we took all that restriction out and ran it into a single right there. So it looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So now you know. Ain't that right, Juan? If you don't know, now you know. Honda Accord V6. Go ahead. With Dynomax race bullet. That sounds good. Your sound decibels, go ahead. 102. Again. That sounds really nice. That Dynomax sounds good on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. '2007 Honda Accord V6. We just finished the exhaust on it. He's going to show you guys the drive off. Dynomax bullet, 2.5-inch pipe, single. Oh yeah, perfect.